Okay, today we're in the red market and we're gonna walk right through this one. And this has all the live meats and vegetables and things like that, so. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are at the red market, so we're gonna stroll through. And we're just gonna go right through this end and we're gonna come out the other angle on the other side. So let's go check it out. Oh, I think they have to do... Okay, so here we are at the red market. And they sell all kinds of... This is more like Chinese, well, let's get into the more fresh foods. There's also live meat in here, but I don't know if it's up on the, it might be up on the other ones, but we're just gonna go through the bottom floor and just see whatever we can see. So basically we're seeing mostly produce. But there's also live meat in here too. So a lot of people will buy their meat here because they know that it comes, what part of the animal it comes from and directly where it's from. I think that would be up in here. Let's go up. Fish. Oh, it's a little bit wet. Just gonna go through some of these. And you also see meat too, so I'm seeing mostly fish. There we go. Kind of keep strolling through. Lots of water. So you will see other stuff too. Maybe up there. I think maybe up there might be more meats, but I think we're just gonna end it right here. But you can get the idea. We're gonna head on out. And now we're back here, so now you can see more fruits and vegetables in the alleys. And so yeah, this is called the Red Market. So it's a good place to buy fruits and vegetables and quite popular in Macau. And there's the entrance, another entrance. So they have to scan everybody as they come in. So that's the Red Market right there. And with that one, we'll end the video. Chiquinha, chiquinha.